go ahead and start eating. Everyone, good morning guys. How are you all? Welcome to my morning vlog. I'm Shweta, and how you guys doing? I'm sure you guys are doing great at your homes. So आज Saturday morning है and it's weekend and not working. वैसे तो हम सारे घर पे ही हैं, but you know we still think okay, weekend है, we have to do something special. So right now I'm actually watching on Amazon Prime TV a series called Red Oaks. मैंने ये कुछ months पहले शुरू किया था. Like I was watching it a few months before, and then you know like something cropped up. I switched to another series and I was binge watching that. So I just finished it actually yesterday. वो भी मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगी मैंने कौन सा सीरीज देखा. But right now I'm on episode 1 of Red Oaks. It looks interesting. It's the story of this boy and इसके already I think 3 seasons और भी आ चुके हैं. So I'm going to keep following that and अब यही चलेगा मेरे vlogs में, तो इसी को अपडेट करती रहूंगी आपको. क्या आज guys कल शाम से थोड़ा बारिश का मौसम हो रहा था and it reminds me of monsoon. Monsoon is lovely rainy day where I sit with my family, have pakoras, chai in the evening. लेकिन कल you know already dinner में कुछ special dishes बनी हुई थे already, so I thought make sure करती हूँ कि morning में उठ के I will make something very very special and I will definitely share with you guys. Guys, so let's start the preparation of spinach fritters, जो कि है पालक पकोड़ा. बहुत टेस्टी रेसिपी है, तो बनाना शुरू करते हैं. बहुत हेल्दी भी है बिकॉज स्पिनच यानी कि पालक इज लोडेड विद आयरन. ये ब्लड के लिए बहुत बहुत अच्छा होता है, रेड ब्लड सेल्स के लिए. इट्स ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल इफ यू आर एनीमिक, तो आपके ब्लड बढ़ाने में बहुत हेल्प करती है. तो ये बच्चों के लिए भी बहुत फायदेमंद है. सो यू कैन यू नो मेक दिस इन रेसिपी एंड गिव इट योर किड्स. सो आई ऑलरेडी हैव सम chopped, washed and chopped cut spinach. So मैंने पालक को already wash कर लिया था and then I chopped it and it's in the bowl. To this I'm going to add gram flour यानी besan. So this is how it looks. So this is besan. So I'm going to add besan. So this is like half a cup of spinach. To this I've added around half a cup of besan, and now to this I will be adding a pinch of baking soda. So just a little bit because baking soda really helps the fritters or the pakoras to come out light and fluffy. So we're gonna use that. Then I'm gonna be using the spices. So this is paprika, meaning red chili powder, also lal mirch. तो मैं इसमें around 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. So we're making the batter at this time. My secret turmeric, बहुत अच्छा color भी देता है. This is like a pinch of turmeric, right? So I add that. It gives a great color. At the same time, it's amazing for immunity boost. So I will add that. Then I'm going to add another beautiful spice, which is jeera powder, which is also cumin powder. So again, around 1/4 teaspoon. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I add that. And then I will also be adding another top secret of my recipe, that is dry mango powder. It's also called amchur powder, guys. And you can get this again in any of the Indian aisles in Canada or US, or you might also find it in places like Longo's, Walmart. So this was about half a teaspoon. So this gives a very very tasty flavor and that tangy flavor to our recipe. Another important thing that I will be adding is carom seeds. So this is ajwain in Hindi. You do find it in the Metro, Longos, Walmart aisles. But if you don't find it, again, Indian store is great. But these spices you can use in your regular cooking as well, because they are very good for digestion and flavor. So full of flavor. So I'm going to be adding like about half a teaspoon of carom seeds, yani ki ajwain. And this is again great for digestion, great for immunity, right? So this is my mixture batter, and I'm gonna just mix it up nicely. Okay, now the thing is, we are not adding salt right now, because what salt does is, salt, you know, would make this batter watery. So I'm just gonna add salt when I'm actually going ahead with preparation. तो नमक जो है मैं बिल्कुल एंड में डालूंगी जब हम रेडी होंगे पकोड़े फ्राई करने के लिए. ओके, सो जस्ट मिक्सिंग इट nicely here. We'll add water slowly, you know. So as we add water, we will keep mixing this paste. Aha, nice. Look at the batter, guys. And keep the water really less, because you know spinach has its own water, so you don't need a lot of water in this recipe. So add little by little, okay? Yeah. Mix it and make sure there's no lumps. So make sure करें इसमें lumps ना आए और अच्छे से इसे mix कर लें. This is the consistency that you would need to fry this. Yeah. All right. So guys, I have mixed it well, and we need to keep this for about 10 minutes so that, you know, the batter becomes nice and fluffy, and then we will go ahead with preparation. So I'll come back in 10 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes and this batter is ready. I'm going to start frying. बस इसके अंदर मैं अब अपना favorite salt add कर दूंगी. Pink salt, Himalayan black salt. Very healthy, great for immunity. Guys, I talk about immunity a lot because, you know, these days we have to fight the infection, we have to fight COVID. So salt is as per taste, but like for me, about half a cup of you know, besan mein, yani ki gram flour mein, I'm going to add like around half a teaspoon, because that's how I eat salt, but you can add it to taste. So I'm going to mix it, and we are ready to fry. So let's go. My griddle यानी कि मेरा पैन हाई हीट पे है और तेल मेरा अच्छे से गर्म हो चुका है. तो बस इसमें मैं अब ये जो मैंने अपना मिक्सचर बनाया है, I'm going to add the batter and start frying my fritters. So let's go. Wow, beautiful, aren't they? Wow. And this is so healthy because spinach is so healthy. You can show your kids the Popeye cartoon where Popeye eats these spinaches, cans of spinaches. So I'm sure after watching, your kids will definitely have this recipe. And it is yummy, right? So what else you need? Okay. Nice, very nice. So you just need to shallow fry them like this and then flip them over. You can see how beautiful and fluffy these fritters are. ये पकोड़े बहुत ही टेस्टी, यमी एंड क्रिस्पी बने हैं। देखो कैसे फ्लफी क्यूट क्यूट से बने हैं, गोल गोल से, जस्ट लाइक हाउ like our Indian streets have it. So I was just trying to make something close by because I used to go with my mom, sister, my dad to have street style pakoras. So look, they are beautiful and they are ready. So I'm just gonna start serving them. So let's take it them. Guys, my beautiful spinach fritters यानी कि पालक के पकौड़े रेडी हैं। और इसको गार्निश करने के लिए मैं इस पर थोड़ा सा चाट मसाला इस तरह से स्प्रिंकल कर रही हूँ। I mean that's totally optional, but when you sprinkle a little bit of chaat masala, guys, it just enhances the flavor. So you can sprinkle like that. For all of you who don't know what's chaat masala, it is called chaat masala and you will find it in Indian stores. So if you add that to any of your recipes, salads, any dips, it will enhance the flavor. So guys, I'm back with my fritters. They are amazing. They're super yummy, super yummy. And if you're wondering, this is the tamarind chutney that we have. It's yummy. Tamarind chutney is made up of tamarind, yani ki imli ki chutney. This is available in Indian stores, and if you want homemade, so I will definitely share this recipe with you as well very soon, how to make tamarind chutney on my channel. But I swear guys, this is yummy. You can see how beautifully fluffy these fritters, यानी कि ये पालक के पकोड़े निकल के आए हैं। और बारिश के मौसम में तो when it's rainy days, I mean there is nothing to call for than Indian fritters. So these are street style fritters and they are very tasty. So I'm enjoying them. Guys, do promise that you will try this recipe and tell me how did it go in the comments box below. And if you like my video, do not forget to subscribe, like and share my channel Life with Shweta's Eyes. I will see you again in one of the next interesting videos I will make for you. So tab tak ke liye, love you and take care. Bye bye.